スーパーハイレグ女子天津いちはのいちはす TV。 Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ichiha Amatsu. I am Japanese sexy cosplayer. I introduce Japanese cosplay culture. Most cosplayers sell photo books in doujin sokubai-kai. For example, comic market. This is called doujin cosplay room. Photo book is usually such digital data. This is JPEG in CDR for data. Look at the computer. Use of this. Cosplay your favorite work. Love your favorite person. And masturbation. 1. Duplicate. Putting on without permission. Some PCs cannot use CDR. My works can do download. Let's enjoy Japanese cosplay culture. Thank you for listening. チャンネル登録、チャンネル登録、チャンネル登録、チャンネル登録。